Why do quotas keep happening to good people?
Safe ka na ba, te?
This will be your new home for the next few years. Pero sure ka ba, te?
You know what? You made me realize how much I miss life without you. Sigipan mo ka, mother!
You need more. Let's review together.
She's a murderer! Cautious, killing me! Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa ko to deserve you.
Thank you for making me feel like I'm worth fighting for.
Hindi ko na kaya!
Can I see your beautiful smile?
Okay.
Life's a bitch. Be the bigger bitch.
Do better. Send mo ng Oedipus complex mo.
You belong to me. Ew. Yuck.
Eto na naman tayo, mother.
Huwag kang mawawala ng pag-asa, konting push pa.
Ano puyot ka? O eto, 2.01. May pasobra dahil special ka. Do you think you're better than me? Quota is expensive. Dumb bitches just can't afford it.
Gulat ka, no? Akala mo siguro napatay mo na ako. Well. Surprise, motherfucker! Hindi pa ako tapos sa'yo at kukunin ko ang lahat ni Sing ko sa'yo. May araw rin kayo!